Bonjour mes amis, je m'appelle Ponjas Paul et vous regardez le monde français. Si vous êtes intéressant à apprendre la langue française, vous pouvez bien faire comme ça. Hi friends, my name is Ponjas Paul and you're watching Le Monde Français. If you are really interested in learning the language French, you are at the right place. So stay tuned with us. Today I'm going to let you know about some means of transport. Why so? Because to learn any language, we need to have a great vocabulary. Vocabulary plays a pivotal role in learning any language. So if you really want to learn French well, you need to have some good vocabs. And the mean of transport is so common. As usual, we keep on using these words in our day-to-day life. Today, I'm going to tell you about 10 common means of transport which are frequently used. So, listen to me carefully and repeat after me. The first word is un vélo. Un vélo means a cycle. The second word is une moto. Une moto means a motorbike. The third one is une voiture. Une voiture means a car. The fourth one is a taxi. A taxi means a taxi. The fifth one is a bateau. A bateau means a boat. The sixth one is a camion. A camion means a truck. The seventh one is, which is very popular, it's a train. So in French we call it a train. A train means a train. The seventh one is a navio. A navio means an airplane. And the next one is a metro. A metro means a metro. And the last but not the least, it is une fusée. Une fusée means a rocket. So these are the means of transport that you have to learn, and you will be developing your vocabulary step by step. So continue with us and stay tuned.
I hope you liked the video. For more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe the channel. And to get notification, click on the bell icon.